Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Samsung UI on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Safari right here, then go to this site trygalaxy.com. Once you get there, you will see here try now. Click on this. At the bottom you can see the share icon. Click on this. Then go down here, search for add to home screen, click on this and this icon will be pop up here on your screen. Then click on Try Galaxy. Basically this is a simulator where you can experience the same experience you will get on the Samsung UI. For example, you can just navigate right here. For example, let me go to settings. Here you will get all the settings you will get on the Samsung UI. And then let me go to the gallery app. Here you will experience the same gallery app you will get on the Samsung UI or Samsung Galaxy phones. Let me open the camera app. This is the same camera app you will get on the Samsung. It will snap some photos right here. Let me click on the video tab. But this is a simulator and here you will get all the details right here. Go to their site, try it now and comment down below your experience with this UI. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.